Hello traders. Hello traders. Today is the 26th of August 2011. Okay, the time in London is 14 minutes past 1 a.m. In the morning. Okay, now this was happened sometime if you are Forex trader. Okay, and as I told you, we do not trade the Asia session. But right now, we want to do a bit of what I call educational video, okay, regarding the Elliott wave and the Fibonacci. Okay, right here we can see on this 5-minute chart. Okay, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair is consolidating before the news. I'll get back to the news soon. I'll tell you which news I'm talking about here. Okay, so the price was consolidating before the news. Okay, and then suddenly it popped out of the consolidation zone. Okay, so we will start counting the Elliott wave. So the first Elliott wave from here all the way here on this 5-minute chart. So from here up to this level here, first Elliott wave, second Elliott wave from here down to this level here. Okay, and the third Elliott wave from here all the way up to this level here. Now the fourth Elliott wave is being formed. Okay, it's not yet completed because we are doing this live now, so we are expecting the fourth Elliott wave, the price to come down a bit and then to turn around and to give us the fifth Elliott wave. Okay, so remember where we are now. So we have counted 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are still in the fourth Elliott wave right now, so we are monitoring what's going on here. Another thing you need to pay attention to, if we draw the Fibonacci levels here, we want to know how much retracement where the price is now. So I will leave that one for now. Okay, I want to show you something regarding the news because it's very important for the new traders. Okay, now if you are trading, like I told you before, paying attention to the trading triangle. Okay, the market first, the sector, and individual financial instrument. Okay, the heart of the trading triangle, the news, the fundamentals. Okay, and the market leaders, very important. Okay, do not forget that. So suppose, okay, we were trading now, okay, but I do not trade this time. Okay, so this is the Australian dollar. We know that at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time, which is midnight 30, okay, midnight 30 London time. Okay, Steve, okay, the governor, okay, Stevens will speak. Okay, so he was speaking at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. The Royal Bank of Australia, the governor of Royal Bank of Australia, Stevens, was speaking. Okay, so you go to www.stochasticmarket.com, click on economic calendar. Okay, and then you are suppose you were trading the Asia session, so you notice that this news is about to happen. Okay, like tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, I mean it's today already. Or it's no more tomorrow. It's today because today is now 26. Okay, because we crossed midnight now. Phil Bernanke will speak. Okay, at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So at 10 a.m. Eastern time, you come and click on this envelope here. Okay, you click on this envelope at 10 a.m. tomorrow, and then you click here the latest release. Okay, the latest release right here. I hope you can see on your screen. Okay, the top one here, the source, Federal Reserve, and then you click on the latest release. Okay, when you click on it, it will bring you to the Federal Reserve website. Okay, and you see the latest release. Okay, that's how you will do it. Okay, now I want to show you for the Australia dollar US dollar currency pairs. I'm telling you now, the governor of Royal Bank of Australia, Stevens, has spoken already at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. That's midnight 30 London time. So you come here, you click on this envelope like you will do tomorrow. Okay, you click on it. You see here, Reserve Bank of Australia, and then you click on latest release. So you click on it. I'm clicking on it now. A new page will open. So the latest release is right here. Glenn Stevens, governor of Royal Bank of Australia. You see here, 26th of August 2011. Opening statement, and then you click on it. That's the latest release. It's open here. Then you can read, okay, the latest release regarding Mr. Stevens, okay, the governor of Royal Bank of Australia. Okay, So this is it, okay? So you will come here and read it, try to understand what this is about, okay? Now, according to my understanding, I will read the conclusion here. It's about talking about the inflation, okay? The inflation is going up in Australia right now. So if the inflation is going up, okay, the Royal Bank of Australia has to increase the interest rate. Interest rate going up, okay, which means the Australian dollar will go up. Very important. So the central bank must control the inflation. The one way to control the inflation is to increase the interest rate. Interest rate going up, the currency of that country will go up. Okay, so interest rate is going up in inflation is going up in Australia, that's for sure. He talked about it here. So action must be taken in the near future, but that remains to be seen. It's not taken here, but the indication is that the inflation is going up, and if the inflation continues to go up, okay, Mr. Stevens has no choice but to increase, okay, the interest rate. And the market always look ahead. Market looking ahead, people will start buying the Australian dollar straight away. Reason why, okay, this currency pair start escaping the bearish pressure. The Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair has escaped the bearish pressure. You see now? So if you were here trading your technical, or you didn't know about all this blah 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 blah, or you didn't bother to know about all this important blah blah blah, they are important blah blah blah. This is the fundamental, okay? So you need to, so if you don't want to read everything, the conclusion here is in summary, okay, very important. There is uncertainty in the market at this present time, okay? There are major challenges in the global economy, significant forces at work in the Australian economy, okay? So there is a bit of challenge for the economy. At this point in time, okay, the economy is doing not too bad. So you see the unemployment rate very low in Australia, but the inflation, okay, need to be watched. Very important. So inflation is going up, okay, putting pressure on the governor of the Royal Bank of Australia, okay, the central bank in Australia, okay. The inflation is a concern for, okay, the country like Australia, Brazil, Turkey, those countries. The inflation is going up because what's happening is that because the dollar is going down, okay, money is coming out of the dollar into Brazil, into Turkey, okay, into Australia, into Switzerland. Very important. This is what's happening. Okay, this is the fundamental. So these countries are experiencing a lot of inflation, which means goods, the price of things in the market, in the supermarket, okay, it's very expensive. Talking about the energy, food, okay, these are the things that you see the price going up. Very important, okay. So the central bank has to increase the interest rate going up. The currency of that country, okay, will start going up, okay. If you are trading Forex, as I told you before, you must constantly improving, okay, your ability to understand the fundamental. Do not trade Forex if you don't want to be involved with the fundamental. That's too important. But you may say, okay, I'm trading commodity, I'm trading stock, I don't need to know. It won't affect me. It will affect you by all means, okay. That's how the professional doing. The professional, okay, most of the professionals are excellent when it comes to the fundamental, okay. They are excellent. They know it. That's why they call them professional. They understand, okay, the mechanism of the market, okay. They understand it better than the technical, okay. You see, ordinary traders always technical. They don't understand how the market functions or the other, okay, engine of the market. But you must slowly but surely start to learn the language of the professional, understand how the market functions. So combining the fundamental with the technical is the best approach, okay. So now I'm going back again to the technical. So we count, okay, first Elliott wave, second Elliott wave, third Elliott wave, fourth Elliott wave still being formed. We are watching it now. We want it to go back up, okay, to display the fifth Elliott wave. Now if you display the fifth Elliott wave, even though ladies and gentlemen, there is a bit of bullish momentum being developing here, I will look for opportunity to sell. Why? Okay, now I'll go to the 4-hour chart because of what the market is doing constantly. On this 4-hour chart, as I was telling you also, I showed you before for the Euro USD, the same scenario, because the Australian dollar currency pair, okay, is moving very often in the same direction like the Euro USD currency pair. If you look carefully here on this 4-hour chart, okay, you can see that the price went down, okay, boom, 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 down. went up, come back. What do we have here? A double bottom pattern. What did I say to you? A double bottom pattern is a kind of a consolidation pattern. Some trader will say, oh, that's completely nonsense. Just take it from me. Okay? The double bottom pattern is a kind of consolidation pattern because there is a balance. The price went down, hit this low, tried to create a new lower low, fell. There is a balance. There is a balance because before there was imbalance, the bear were creating lower low, lower low, lower low. Right here they fell, so there is a balance suddenly. Okay, that's the starting point of a new imbalance. So if the bullish momentum continues, okay, we will have another imbalance which will be to the upside. The first imbalance was to the downside. So the double bottom pattern is a kind of consolidation pattern because the consolidation period we have a balanced market. I mean, in theory, equal influence of the bulls and the bear. That's the theory. Okay. So price went down, displayed double bottom pattern. Boom. You see this one? You see how tall it was? This is the first Elliott wave. It break the nut of the double bottom pattern. Break it. That's how we want. This is a gorgeous, beautiful first Elliott wave. Can you see that? Beautiful. It has to be bullish. It's the signature of the bull. A new trend is about to begin. The bulls coming to the market will force breaking, okay, the last resistance of the bear. Boom. Nice one. This is a beautiful. Can you just admire this tall candle here? You just thinking that if you can catch this one, okay, and then the pullback shouldn't cancel it. You can see it retraced to this level but couldn't cancel it. Nice one. Okay, so second Elliott wave. Then now we have the third Elliott wave. Boom, 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 boom. That's the third Elliott wave up to this level. Okay, it's a kind of complex Elliott wave but a bit messy. Some people may say first small, second small, third small, fourth small, and fifth small. Now it's a bit messy. The market is a messy sometimes. Okay, so third Elliott wave from here all the way up here. Okay, and then there's the fourth Elliott wave from this level here down to this level here. And then somebody may say no, it's a fourth Elliott wave. They will say that it has been divided into ABC, A, B, C. Well, I disagree. The fourth Elliott wave from here to this level here. That's my count. Okay, and then the fifth Elliott wave from here to this level here. So if we start again, first Elliott wave, second Elliott wave, third Elliott wave, fourth Elliott wave, and fifth Elliott wave. A corrective move, B corrective move. So A corrective move from here down to this level here, B corrective move from here up to this level here, and we are now in the C corrective move. The price is finding a support here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we have a kind of consolidation taking place again in this zone. Okay, do you see it? Okay, from this level the price hit this one. It's coming near this level. That's why people are buying now, returning the price to this resistance level. But going back again to my lovely 5-minute chart after the news, okay, after the news, okay, we are here. Okay, if the price display the fifth Elliott wave bringing the price into this resistance level, I will look for opportunity to sell. I do not just sell, I wait for a signal to sell. Okay, so what I'm going to do now to avoid that this video is too long, I'll pause the video. Before that I will draw, okay, a vertical line as I'm doing this live here, so that I can pause the video and come back to it, waiting for the price to display the fifth Elliott wave, and I'm also waiting for my signal. Okay, then we will return back to this video. Okay, so I will pause the video. Okay, so pausing the video now, and I will speak to you very soon. Alright traders, so as you can see, the fourth Elliott wave is completed here from this level here down to this level here. We are now in the fifth Elliott wave, waiting for the fifth Elliott wave to be completed. Okay, so we are expecting the price to continue the movement to the upside up to this level here, unless we have the complex fourth Elliott wave that remains to be seen. But right now it looks like this is the fourth Elliott wave, and we will wait for the price, okay, to show us the direction. So in normal condition we should see the price going up this way, unless we have a ABC, okay, fourth Elliott wave, which is a complex Elliott wave. But we just need to wait and allow the price to go where the price want to go, and then when we receive a signal, we will sell. Okay, so I will pause the video again to avoid that the video is too long. Okay, so pausing the video, waiting for the price, okay, to do what the price want to do. Okay. Yes, it's taking a bit of time for this fifth Elliott wave to be completed on this 5-minute chart of the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. This live chart, okay, is moving up a bit. Okay, so we count first Elliott wave from this level here. So the first Elliott wave is the wave that breaks out of the consolidation zone. Okay, so we notice that on this 5-minute chart. Okay, all right. So talking about the live Elliott wave, trading live Elliott wave, not the theory, blah 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 blah. How do you use the Elliott wave when it comes to day trading? Okay, so here applying the theory. So you learn it. Now you want to put it into practice, make an excellent trading decision. Okay, now we are using what I call the market pattern. The price went down, and then we have a consolidation, gorgeous, a breakout, a pullback. Okay, first Elliott wave, second Elliott wave, third Elliott wave, fourth Elliott wave. Now the fifth Elliott wave, very bullish. Okay, that's the way we want it. Because why the price trying to go up more? Why? Can you understand why the price is trying to extend the bullish move? Why this kind is very bullish suddenly? The price is trying to retest this level here. You see this level here at the 10512. The smart money would prefer to sell, okay, in this zone, okay, right here where I place my cursor, instead of selling short here. So we may see a bit of an extension of the price, which is a kind of a mild, okay, exaggeration, okay, or mild, okay, a manipulation. Okay, so instead of having the fifth area we're stopping somewhere here, okay, you remember the smart money want to sell at the best place. So we may see this fifth area way being a bit longer. Now you understand why sometimes the theory is not exactly, okay, alright, what the price is doing, because there are other things that the market is trying to do. It's better to sell here. There is a resistance here, a resistance that has been verified, so to speak. Price went to that level and a final resistance there and turn around. So we will prefer to test that level again. Okay, what I will do, I draw another horizontal line there. Okay, this zone here will be a better place. So, but if you want to sell before that, if you decided yourself you are aggressive trader, there's no point to be aggressive trader. Be patient, be patient. There's no signal here to sell. There's no signal here to sell. Okay, don't force it, don't just sell it. Okay, wait for a signal, or wait for a candlestick pattern that will signal that okay, it's time to sell. Okay, so just watch the price. Okay, so if you receive a signal here now to sell, the best place to place your stop loss is above this one, at least 15 pip or 20 pip. 20 pip will be better, above this high here. 20 pip above this high here. Okay, so you may be surprised the price continuing. You see, it's happening all the time. So don't be too aggressive, be patient. Okay, I will pause the video again because I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm pausing it again and we'll come back to it soon. Okay, traders, as you can see, we have our fifth area wave up to this level. The price came out to the zone of 10503. okay, we were expecting it to go up to 10512. As you can see, some aggressive traders start selling now. We will be very patient. What we will do, we watch this candle here to be completed first. Okay, but as you can see, the price display a high here. Okay, this high here, and there was a higher high here. Okay, if the price closed below the previous high, this level here, understanding, okay, the language of the price set. So if I want to sell, I'm not selling now, but if I want to sell, okay, the best place to sell, okay, is below this previous high, because that will cancel, okay, the bullish momentum if the price come back and closes below the previous high. That will give us, okay, an opportunity to sell. Okay, see, right? In the uptrend, the primary display higher lows and higher high. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to close this video, okay, and post another video. So the title of this video is a Forex Tips Part 1. So I invite you to watch Forex Tips Part 2. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders.